to improve your style. Style is a way to express yourself, and you need to improve your style game because life is too short and you cannot live in the same way for so many years. Who says looks don't matter? I say they lie because the human mind attracts towards the apprehensive things. You have to change the way you live because you can do this. And change starts from you. If you want to inspire someone, then first you have to inspire yourself. My boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, style matters. I repeat, style matters, and you have to take care of yourself, else you will be left unnoticed by this world. Here are a few ways to level up your style game. First point, make a particular skincare routine and follow it. Skin is the largest organ of your body and you need to take care of it. People destroy their skin because of their lazy routine. But you have to be very cautious with your skincare because it matters and skin needs your love and care. Second point, work upon your communication skills. The way you speak matters, so learn to speak politely and work more upon communication skills. This will help you to express yourself in front of others in a better manner than before. Third point, learn to wear basics first. Many don't know the importance of styling or wearing their clothes, and this is the biggest difference creator between a tacky person and a handsome hunk. You should start with the basics first and learn to wear it properly according to your body type so that you can look more attractive than before. Fourth point, don't mess with colors. There are so many people in this world who still don't know about color science. Each color is a symbol of some or the other emotions. And I suggest please do not mess with so many colors in your clothes, because this can make you look cheesy or tacky. And I don't want any of you watching this video should be categorized as cheesy because I want to see you all in your best version. Fifth point, have a hair care routine. Hair matters, and the same as with hair care routine, your hair care routine matters. Make a particular hair care routine and stick to it. Sixth point, engage with new people. In order to be stylish, you have to meet stylish people, make them your friend. And they will change the way you look. Seventh point, travel a lot. Learn about different fashion and gain more style tips by traveling to new places. Eighth point, learn more about accessories. Not every person on this planet wear accessories, but accessories are the main game changer for stylish people because accessories make people look different from ordinary people. So, you should give try to some accessories like amazing watches, bands, neck accessories, rings and many more. Conclusion of this video. Readers are leaders, this is a famous saying, and the more you will read the more capable you will become to lead in this society. You have to be good in almost everything if you want to lead society and bring a change. You need to have a good style because in this way you will set an example of improving style for others. People will try to look stylish like if you put little effort into changing your style game. After all, this life is for learning and experimenting with new things. Question for the audience. Will you put effort to change your style or not? Do tell me in the comments, I would love to see your response. If you are new here, welcome to our YouTube family, and together we will become the best version of ourselves. Thanks for your precious time, see you back here soon.